Hey, everyone, this has been my unboxing of the 3 Plus Cruz hybrid watch with the mechanical hand here. This is from Walmart. It is $100. I thought it looked pretty nice, so I figured I'd give it a try. You guys want to read that, go ahead. Tells you what it does. Yeah, but it's a very nice looking watch. Some other things there. 30-day battery life too, which is pretty sweet. Which I think is kind of common for a hybrid watch to have a good sized battery. Or good long lasting battery. And then we're greeted with a nice black box. Says 3 Plus on both sides. Nothing on the bottom there. No tape to cut. So let's get right on into it. There we are. Go move that out of the way for a moment. See what else is in here. So you got a, looks like to be the normal micro USB, excuse me. Quick start guide. And a warranty card. With a nice looking watch on there. Let's see how we get this undone. Alright, that's easy. Just move it over to the side and push it on out. Comes with a little nice pillow. In case you guys get tired, you know. Go ahead and sleep on that. Here is the watch itself. Very nice looking, if you ask me, for $100. So the Garmin version is $200. I always forget the name of the Garmin one. Vivo something or other. It's a Vivo Move, I think. And of course, it is a silicone band. Gives you two of these little guys to put the strap underneath, which is nice. A little bit of something there stuck to it. Heart rate monitor on the back. And it says 3-bar water resistant. Not exactly sure what that means. Hybrid watch and stainless steel. And then made in China. Let's see if this thing turns on or not. A little bit of condensation there from my hand, apparently. Does turn on. You can see the actual hand there. And it has the 2 buttons. Somewhere it should have USB. And apparently you probably want to scan that with your phone and then set it up. Yeah guys, that's just a quick unboxing here of the 3 Plus Cruz watch. I do plan on doing a review of this watch, so do stay tuned for that. Yeah, and a very nice looking watch. I'll do a quick size comparison here. I have a very nice big watch compared to. And a not so big watch. So that is the Cruz in the middle. That is the Garmin Vivo Active 3 Music. And then we have big bad boy, the Garmin Fenix 5 X Plus. So kind of in between the two. Not quite as big as this guy, not quite as small as this one. Alright guys, thank you all very much for watching. Stay tuned for a review to come. Alright, have a good one. And I somehow missed the wireless charger, so there's no USB for the watch or anything. It actually has this pretty cool looking, where it says the 3 Plus on there, wireless charger, which you plug the USB into, which makes a lot more sense. And it just kind of course, sits in there. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys.